Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, and I want to talk about emergency hand washing station. It's very important to keep our hands clean under any circumstances, but in an emergency, it could be a little bit more difficult. If you have one of these liquid style detergents, I just filled that with water because it was empty, and then of course keep that valve open, and then I can wash my hands, and there you go. Another way is if you have one of these drink dispensers. The nice thing about that is this one I can keep it open, wash my hands, and then close it. My second favorite way, this is my second favorite way, because I could put really warm water in here, and because it's insulated, it will stay warm. The only issue is with these, I got to do that. Make sure you put a bucket down below to catch all the stuff. And if you have nothing and you only have bottles like this, you can literally drill a hole here and then open that up. And when you open that up, the water's going to pour. Then when you're done, you close it. So, and you just wash it like that. And don't forget to include some good soap, some hand sanitizer, and paper towels. And there you go. Your DIY emergency hand washing station. By failing to prepare, we are preparing to fail. And don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. And Paulo outside is saying hello. You guys have a good one.